Feature number 2 is the style section. Paragraph and character styles is something that we have recently added in this new version, and I'm really excited that we did, because a big part of working with your layout is not only the layout itself, but also the content and specifically the text. So let me show you, for example, how you can align two texts of different lettings on the same document grid. I'm going to go into the paragraph and character style section, and just a little quick tour here before I continue. In the previous version, it was not possible to actually write the name of the font, so now you can do that. So that's nice. And also we have the size here. You can use the up and down arrows. We have something else here. Let me just apply some text. I'm gonna align it with the grid. Okay. Here's something really cool. If you want to have indents and extents based on your actual project and your layout, you can do that. So if you use M's here, this is the same size as your font size. And it totally depends on how wide your column is. And you can also align your text with the actual grid. So I think this is pretty cool. So you can just play around here and set up whatever you like. And we also support this for tabs. And we have some other options here as well that you can explore on your own. Now, another thing before I go in and show you how to align these different lettings is I've been getting a lot of emails from people that do not use Latin-based characters, for example, Russia, China, Arabic countries, and they ask how they can apply image lines. Well, previously we only supported X height and H height, but now we've added this custom feature that allows you to enter whatever value in points, or excuse me, in whatever unit you are working in. So the easiest way is to, for example, in the case of using X height, you can go, first you write the letter, then you go to type, create outlines, and then you just copy the height. So as you can see, it is the same here. And this is in millimeters. So that's cool. And to apply it, all you have to do is just check this and it applies it. Or if you want to change it, just change it here. Now another thing that's cool is if you change font, it is automatically going to reapply it to you. Now as we can see here, this is Adobe Garamond Pro and I've selected H height. Now what happens if I select a completely different font? Did you see that? It auto-applied it and recalculated it, and this is going to save you a lot of hours if you need to change the body copy font. Okay, let me show you what I was talking about earlier. First I'm going to remove these image lines. And I'm going to add a new style. And I just want to show you this. We have different groups here. And this is how you navigate around in this section. So this is the group. And this drop down is for the individual styles. And you can see here in the palettes, we have a folder for each group. And inside of each group, we have the actual styles. So let's go ahead and add a caption text. And just a quick note here, if you can't find anything that fits to your specific style, you can just select miscellaneous here. But I'm going to select caption here, and I'm just going to name it to something. Now this is great. If you have, for example, a specific color, you can just name it. And this helps you identify the text. So for example, I'm just going to enter black here. as you can see, it created a new folder, and it says black here. I can also change it from here. Now, if I want to go back to the body copy, I can go in here, and I can make my settings again, and then navigate to whatever style I want to edit. But now let's edit this. Just going to apply some text here. Now currently it aligns with the applied leading, but here's the little cool trick that you can do. If you change this, did you see that? That is so awesome. It aligns to these subdivisions instead. Now I want to tell you another thing I'm really excited about. If let's say that you've set up your entire project and you figure out that you need to change the leading. Now in InDesign, if you're working without this plugin, you have to go into every single style and change the leading. But if you're using this plugin, the plugin will automatically update the leading in every single style. So that is a massive time saver. And if you're in a pitch or if you're just sketching a new magazine or something, you can really play around and get all the different parts synchronizing with each other. If you want to move a style, all you need to do is press the edit button, select where you want to move it, and press OK. If you would like to edit the options for a specific style, all you have to do is press the options button here. Set up your style, press OK. If you would like to quickly add a style to a text frame or multiple text frames, just select it, press Alt, and then just press Apply.